Hi, my name is Salbria. I'm a pharmacy technician, and in this series, I'm giving the options that you may have at any one of your local pharmacies for certain flu symptoms. In the last two videos, we looked at dry coughs and wet coughs. In this one, we'll be dealing with two niches, which is dry coughs with slight mucus and dry coughs with asthma. So, first, we have Tosodrol DM and Pseudosolvin. These are the only two options that my pharmacy had in stock at the moment, but essentially what you are looking for is an expectorant together with a cough suppressant. So the Tosodrol DM would have the dextromethorphan along with guaifenesin, while the Pseudosolvin would have the dextromethorphan along with bromhexine, the dextromethorphan being the cough suppressant and the guaifenesin and bromhexine being the cough expectorant. So when looking for a cough medication for a dry cough with clear mucus or slight mucus being brought up, these are the options that you may have. Now in front of me here, I have a bunch of different antihistamines or brands of antihistamines. These antihistamines can also be used for dry coughs in patients with asthma. What it does is alleviates all the other symptoms or most of the other symptoms of a dry cough in order to ease the initial symptoms of the dry cough. So these are the options that we have, starting from my right. The last three is diphenhydramine, the middle two is chlorphenamine, then we have Allegra, which is fexofenadine, and Arius, which is loratadine. All of these suppress the symptoms of an allergic reaction, which suppresses some symptoms of a dry cough. So that's it for this week's video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.